There was a time when Amazon was preferred for electronics and household stuffs, but what we need to know is about the fashion category on Amazon. So here in this video, I'm going to share some hidden gems on Amazon in fashion and styling category. Here we go. So I have received all the packages from Amazon and all the pieces are to die for. They are excellent in terms of quality, in terms of fabric, and one by one I'm going to show each one of them to you all. And at this time I have been very picky in selecting the clothes. I have picked all the cute, trendy and Instagramish vibe wale kapde. So let's get started. Let's start with this one. It's a really trendy, cute bucket hat, and that too cow printed, and I've been in love with bucket hats like forever and बहुत ज़्यादा trendy है. And also I made a video on fashion trends 2021, and in that video also I talked about cow prints, how they are just taking over the market and how every girl is aspiring to have something like cow printed stuff in their closet. So here I got it, and they're cute, they're trendy, and I got it from Amazon. And to be very honest, I didn't expected something like this to be on Amazon, because a bucket hat in black or say white or say brown is something very basic, but a bucket hat in cow print is very much in vogue, and not all websites have these as of now, but I got it, and it is from this brand called Tyra & T. And I just went through the reviews and everything, and they were excellent. And actually it's kind of really spacious, good quality again, and affordable at the same time. Something like a beret or say bucket hat or accessory can just make your simple outfit look stunning and out of the world. Like here I'm wearing a white t-shirt, black pant, black ankle boots, white bucket bag, and this bucket hat, and it's so cute, and I'm just dying to go out when everything will be back to normal. I just want to chill around in this clothes at a cafe with my favorite people. Now this one is my favorite piece out of all. You'll be amazed to see how well it fits my body, and in this it's this really pretty lemon yellow color, and I'm totally in love with this color. And all in all, they had 3 colors of the same, this color, and the rest too was pastel blue and pastel pink. So I was totally up for all the 3 colors, and I can just pick up anyone blindfolded क्योंकि तीनों ही color बहुत प्यारे हैं. I got this one in the size M, and because of surfing a lot on Amazon, what I have discovered that there are some brands on Amazon which are worth appreciating, and I'm going to talk about it in a separate elaborate video. So just wait for that क्योंकि आपके लिए वो video बहुत ज़्यादा helpful होगा. But for now, let me tell you that this is from the brand called Elevanto, and not just the fitting, I love the quality, the fabric, it's pure cotton. It's like all the summer vibe. So, and one more thing which I really felt about this top is the versatility. I mean, you can style it in so many ways with so many things. The color is so pretty, and it has pink, green, white florals all around. So it's like summer spring girly girl vibe. आप इसको हाई वेस्टेड पैंट्स के साथ पहन सकते हो, जीन्स के साथ पहन सकते हो. यू कैन वेयर इट विद स्कर्ट और जस्ट शॉर्ट्स. एंड वन थिंग विच आई एम वेरी क्यूरियस टू वेयर दिस अप इज लाइक अ साड़ी का ब्लाउज. तो आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारा लगेगा. बट फॉर नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू वेयर इट विद अ नीट वाइट शॉर्ट्स. बहुत ज़्यादा क्यूट लगेगा, एंड या आई एम श्योर कि किसी पे भी ये बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लैटरिंग लगेगा. वन मोर थिंग विच आई फाइंड रियली अमेजिंग अबाउट दिस क्रॉप टॉप इज दिस टाई अप डिटेलिंग्स हेयर, एंड ये एक्चुअली बहुत ज़्यादा cropped नहीं है, so anyone can wear it comfortably. This time my entire bag was full of summer clothes, and I actually spent time on reading the reviews and checking on the quality, stars and everything before actually getting it. So the next piece that I'm going to show will call summer in XYZ languages. Just look at it. What a cute color. It's a one shoulder wrap around dress, and it's in the size M from a brand called Berry Lush, and I highly recommend each one of you to go check on Berry Lush on Amazon क्योंकि बहुत प्यारे कलेक्शन हैं. They have a lot of floral dress, middies, coords, so please check that as well. And इसके बहुत सारे colors available थे. I mean around 9-10 colors, and I was kind of skeptical in picking this color in general, but my mom has serious allergy with my black dresses, so she insisted me कि ठीक है एक बार try कर लो. This color is something different, you haven't tried it. So I was like okay, let's try. It will be like a fresh breeze of color to my closet, so why not. Again बहुत प्यारा है, and it has this wrap around detail in the front, and ये एकदम प्लेन ग्रीन कलर का है विथ वाइट फ्लावर लाइक डिटेलिंग्स ऑल ओवर. तो आप एक बार इसको ट्राई कर सकते हो. एंड वन थिंग विच आई वाज रियली सरप्राइज्ड वाज दिस चेन, साइड चेन. ये थ्रू आउट है, सो यू कैन जस्ट एंटर इट कंफर्टेबली. बहुत कंफर्टेबल होगा आपके लिए. फैब्रिक इज रियली सॉफ्ट, बहुत लाइट फील होता है. सो one more thing, the upper part of the dress is really spacious, so even if you have big boobies, then also you can wear it comfortably. So definitely give it a shot. Next piece is also from Berry Lush because they have gems really, and when I saw this piece I was super excited to try it out. And it's in this pastel green sort of a color, and it's a co-ord set with blue floral like detailings all over, and it is in the size M. And I was super excited to try the co-ords from Berry Lush, and I actually loved everything about it. They had around many different patterns of the same and different designs as well. All in all, they had 7-8 colors of the same floral pattern and around 3-4 colors in the polka dot wala pattern. So you can try any one of those. And one thing which I really loved about these cords was the individual oomph. So you can style this individually, you can style this individually. So here, this is the top. I mean, it's an off-shoulder top. It is super stretchy. You can just wear it with jeans. आप jeans के साथ पहन सकते हो. You can just wear it with a metallic skirt or something like that, even as a blouse, sari blouse for that matter. And ये जो skirt है, ये thigh high slit वाला skirt है, so it looks super sexy and super beachy at the same time. And this whole outfit has a beachy vibe. You can just style this skirt with a plain tee to kind of dress it down. You can just pair it up with a bikini top अगर आप actually beach पे जा रहे हो तो. Like here I'm wearing it with one shoulder olive green top, so it's looking pretty cool. And one thing which I have kind of developed through these years of shopping online is that whenever you stop onto something, just think ki will you be able to create multiple looks out of it. If yes, then only order it, then just give it a shot. Now just let me tell you that this has all in all beachy sort of a vibe, but what I found out that this individual piece can create a lot of outfits, so that's why I picked it up. So please ये चीज़ को ध्यान में रखो. And the fabric is really airy, light, तो summer में बहुत मज़ा आएगा अगर आप इसको पहनते हो तो. Please try it out. Also, if you are enjoying the video, then please give it a precious like. And next one and the last one is from the athleisure category, and I'm going to recommend it like anything. It is this wine colored workout tights or jeggings, whatever you call it. And before ordering it, I read a lot of reviews on Amazon, and ये उसके best sellers में था, and the reviews were quite impressive. So I just tried this out, and I was really skeptical about it क्योंकि this is from a very alien brand, क्योंकि मैंने पहले कभी नहीं सुना था. And I got it in the size S, that is 26 है इसका waist का size. And ये brand है Blinkin का. Blinkin had a lot of ties all over the Amazon, I mean in a lot of colors too. And I was really afraid कि क्या लेना चाहिए, because it was super affordable as compared to other brands, as compared to other tights. But to be very honest, it's just amazing. I mean, really thick fabric, it is rapid dry, and you need not to worry about your panty lines or camel toe or anything like that. And it has side pockets which made me even more determined to try out this brand. And इसके side में नीचे से mesh detailing है, absolutely not the one, not the cheap one you are thinking of, क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा cute है and बहुत ज़्यादा perfect लग रहा है. And it is just perfect to the size. So if you are planning to get your hands on this one, please stick to your size only. ये बहुत अच्छा है and बहुत सारे colors में भी available था. Olive green, fuchsia pink, wine color, maroon color. Since it has this black sort of a detailing side say, so you can just pair it up with a basic black sports brand. You're just good to go. Also, I'll mention the link to each and every product that I've shown in this video in the description box in case you want to check that out. So that's pretty much about the video, and I really hope you all enjoyed and found this helpful. Give it a thumbs up, and please comment down which piece out of all you love the most and which brand from Amazon you prefer, so that I can also, kind of know about it. Follow me on Instagram @_Alisha180_, and please subscribe. I tag you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.